Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephanie. I'm gonna be sharing some Haitian recipes with you, but today I'm gonna make it short. I was just showing you how to make Haitian spice, and then the next time I will share something else with you. But today we're gonna try together to make Haitian spice. And then make sure after you guys watching these videos, if you like it, like if you're very interested about it, you want to see more, you can always like and share it with your friends and family, and also you can comment. So to make Haitian spice, what do we need? We need some ingredients. So right now I already set up some mise en place for you, but still I will show you step by step how I do it. So for now, here we have some onions. The onions is already chopped right here, but the onions always come like this. You just gotta, clean it and then wash it and peel it and cut it. So it's already here. And then we have some garlic. You can find like the minced garlic or the garlic that peel, and or you can find garlic the head garlic like this. You have to peel it and then cut the head, and then make sure you chop it and then wash it before you use it. Right here we have some green onions, and then the green onions is right here. I just take like a couple of them, and I just take the elastic out, and I cut it and then wash it and then chop it. So it's right here. And then here we have some bell peppers. We have the red and the green one. It's okay, like if you have only one, that's fine, but for now I will just using two of them. And then here I have some parsley. It's already clean and chopped. Here this is Maggi. A lot of you here maybe not know about the Maggi, but Maggi you can find it at Walmart or Publix, and it's always come like this. Yeah, it will be like this, and then you just gotta take like a couple, and then you just use it for your spice. And then here we have some cloves, and then we have some chili peppers right here. It's already washed and clean right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and start it with it. So I have my blender. You need a blender. If you have scale, you can use a scale to measure everything. So what I'm gonna do, like, make sure when you're using the chili pepper, like it's a very spicy peppers, make sure you don't touch your face or your eyes, or you can always use the gloves to cook or to do stuff like this, just for your safety. I can just put everything together. I got a garlic, chili pepper, onions. I'm gonna put this, which is the green onions. You can always leave some, because as long as you put like a bunch and then you put the water in it, and then you just blend it out, like it would be very small. Then after that, so you can add more in it. So let's put some of the bell peppers, some of the green one, some parsley, and then some Maggi. Just put some cloves, and then you can put some water, or you can put some even white vinegar in it. So you can always put more. Make sure you don't put too much. Yes, it can be liquidy, but it doesn't have to be watery. So right now we're gonna blend it out. I will show you, and then the rest of the ingredient I will come back and then add some more in it. So okay, that's the blender right here. Guys, this is the final product of my Haitian spice. That's exactly how you want it to be. Okay, very nice consistency, not too watery. And then remember to put it on the fridge. Make sure you guys add a little bit of oil on it. That will keep it fresh, smooth, and green. Thank you for watching the videos. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and see you next time for another video. Bye guys, stay safe, see you soon.